What's up, guys? Did another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find the new moonshots every day and then make 2x 3x every single time. And yeah, the one website I've been using which is very reliable and it's like trustworthy is Pink Sale. And this is where I find these pre-sales where you can go into new moonshots that just come out of nowhere. And yeah, Pink Sale is where these platforms usually go to for their pre-sales, where you can get in before they launch. And sometimes you might get lucky, or if you do your research, you're gonna. It's not about being lucky; it's about knowing what you're doing. And yeah, if the more you do it, the better you get at it. That's really is what it is. And yeah, the one that got, I think it's got like 50x, got like 100x. It went up so high. Was it's wow. And yeah, I'm gonna go onto the screen. I'm gonna start screen recording and I'll show you what all about it. So go on it now. So as you see, it's the Alvi chain. It's like they have NFT. It just blew up basically. But it was even it was number 4 or number 2 on trending again on Dex tools, which is a good tool. If you don't know, I'll talk about all the tools after. But then I'm just gonna first talk about the what went up a lot, which you can see right now. If go back here, because I'm on 5 minutes. Let me do it for 4 hours. Zoom out. Look, it went up. So it started around like down here. It went up, went down, and it skyrocketed up. So in the first like couple of days, it just skyrocketed. Look, it went from like 0.06 to all the way to 12p, which is a lot. It went up a lot. And to find these, and it's still going up. Look, it done a fat bounce again. It went down here, and another crazy bounce. So if you got in down here and you got up here, that's the amount of money you would have made. And that's why but this is quite rare with these ones, because some of them just die out, some of them just go down, and then people forget about it. But it's just all about the team. If the team gets a good launch, and if they carry on marketing it right, they'll just carry on going up and up, or it might go a bit down and go. But if they're marketing it right, people start getting investing and go up. But that's why you have to learn how to find a good project which actually does stuff like this, like Alvi chain, which is, it's not happens all the time, but it does happen. But these are the rare ones where you can make like 100x or 2x, but like 10x. But the normal ones you can make like 10x, 2x a day, 3x a day, if you start finding the right project. Because there's so many projects released every day, and so many of them do 2x every day. But you just need to find the right ones. You just need to do your due diligence and do your research well, which I'll show you some good method you can do for Pink Sale and different project that hasn't been launched yet. Here's another one I'm looking into right now. It ends in 18 hours, and yeah, it's raised quite a bit. It's quite good. Another one that I came on today was this one, but it didn't raise enough. And then the Telegram was just there was like 5,000 people, but there was like a bit like 500 people active. It didn't really make sense, and the pre-sale was about to end. So there's stuff like that shows you it's something's right, something's not wrong. So I didn't go into this one. Not looking too bad. Let me go on to the I'll go on Telegram after. But yeah, this is one of them that ends in 17 minutes, which might be a good idea to go into. Sphinx is this one here. So this one raised about 634 BNB. So similar to this, not similar, it's 400. But one red flag I thought to say about this one is the minimum. I mean, they're looking to raise 710, but usually normal projects are 50. So it's a bit weird. But I don't know. Well, I'm still thinking about it. Still got 17 minutes, see what happens. But yeah, this was the Sphinx one. This released today a couple hours ago, and it done really well, done like a 3x. But yeah, look how you would have got up, and then if you want to risk it, you don't really believe it, you just think it's a quick project to get into, bang, you sell it right here, 3x right there. Look, in this ended yesterday. I was about to get into it, but I was busy at the time and I didn't go into it. I completely forgot all about it. And look, if I didn't make that mistake, I would have made money right now. And this got released yesterday. And the same with this one here. This is going to be released tomorrow, and you're going to see if you can make a profit or not. But sometimes you just have to do your due diligence, and you have to make sure the team is what they say they are. And yeah, that's another way. But one thing, so let me just show you the ins and outs of Pink Sale. So here it just shows you the what the name is, here how long you have it, the pre-sale, when it ends, how much money they raise, how much money you can put in. You connect your wallet here, of course. And then they have audits, different types of audits. This is where you check. If they don't have any audits, I don't recommend at all to go into it, because it could be a rug pull and they just try to steal your money. So here you can click on this. This one is like a Telegram link to the audit. There's different types of audits they do, and one way I check to make sure it's not like a rug pull or something like a rug pull, but this is for like after the pre-sale, not before the pre-sale, but it's I just get the token address. So I just go here, copy the address. And I got this link here, just copy the address here, and I got this token sniffer, and then you just go on the top and it tells you, it just kind of looks at the contract and it tells you all about it. It's like an algorithm that tells you exactly what's wrong, if there's any problems. It hasn't had the audit yet because it doesn't audit, these are all new, but it tells you if it's token is sellable, so it's not a honeypot that you go into it and then you can't sell it. And it's a verified contract. Contract source does not contain a fee modifier, so they can't change the fee. It just tells you the background, so you know it's safe to get into it before you get into it, of course, because it's still a pre-sale. You still don't know if it's a rug pull or what they could do. And another good thing they have is Stay Safe, it's on Dex tools, and you can put it in here as well. It's like a scanner as well. It's kind of similar, but it's a different type, which is very good. So make sure you put the addresses into here, and it tells you if it's anything wrong with it. So you say it's token name, the token symbol, blah blah blah. The total supply, this got 100 million token. The amount for pre-sale is 39, and yeah, it just tells you all the information about the thing, about the crypto, and it says how much they allocated pre-sale, how much liquidity, how much they're gonna put in staking, how this is all staking, 3% of staking unlocked, and then burn, how much they're gonna burn. So they're gonna burn 13.4%. And yeah, they have a little mini audit down here. They audited it for you. The owner can set fees up to 12%. So yeah, all these audits, these guys go into more detail, so you can have better closure from it. So you know you're not gonna lose your money, but you could lose your money. But like, if it's a scam, so at least they're just gonna take your money. At least you don't have a chance. You know what you're doing. And yeah, so another good way you have to check is if it has the hype behind it. Is it actually a good project? Sometimes they have good videos that they explain to what it is, what they put on, what pin supports on it. For example, let me go on its Twitter. If it has a good amount of following, this one got 5,000, which is quite good because it joined September 2022. This is everything they have. They might be partnering with different companies, so many different things. Look, Gems 100,000x, they shout them out. But yeah, and then one major thing is to go into the Telegram. This is where they see the actual or the community actually looks like, and this is what gonna make you think, should I go into it or not? So yeah, I think I already joined this one. That's probably why it's not working. Yeah, for some reason it's not letting me go into the Telegram, which is a bit weird. I was in it before. I don't know what happened to it, which is weird. Look, sorry, the script is not accessible. Maybe this is my, I done something wrong, I don't know, but I'm gonna double check it, this is gonna make me not want to go into it, to be honest. But yeah, Telegram, this is what I use my Telegram for. You got all these different things. One I might go into is, if I go a bit down, this one is they kind of make it that you can't type in it, which is a bit weird. And there's like, I don't know what Japanese, Chinese, but I'm writing that is, and it's a French fan token, and it's a bit weird that they're doing this, so it's a bit dodgy. But yeah, we'll see. This might do it because the World Cup's coming soon, so this might be a good idea. But yeah, this is all of them. Like, this is the LV chain one. This is good to keep here because they might release new thing that's coming to happen. They even been doing a video chat now. But yes, that's what the main ideas, main things you need to look into. I'll do more videos, so if you guys want me to like do update videos of these, so I'll just start making videos of me going into different new pre-sales. I'll make a series on that of me going to new pre-sales, how I go about it, what research I do, which ones I pull the trigger on, which ones I don't. And yeah, if you want me to do that, I'll be doing a series on that as well if you want me to. So I'll show you the wins and the losses. I'm not going to just show you all the wins, because then what's the point? That's just bullshit. That's not how it works. You're always gonna. It's the only way to actually be winning is to be losing as well, because you're not gonna learn you're gonna learn from your mistakes, and it's just not gonna happen if it's not really realistic if you're gonna think I'm gonna win and make money on all of them and make 2x on all of them. But yeah, so that's the one good example I showed you was the Alvi chain, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to have any ideas for me to make any videos, shout. Just put in the description any Discord you want me to join, for example, as well as any Discords, like any crypto Discords, I'll join for you guys to show you, to see if it actually is real or if you actually make money from it. I'll do that for you guys. Whatever. I'm just gonna make lots of videos on here. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's how you can find moonshots today and next year and forever. Not forever, but yeah, for now this is a very good way to find new pre-sales that make a lot of money, make you 2x, and then once in a while you're gonna make like 1000x, 100x. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and peace.